You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 28 greater than 20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all v terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 6v from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 28 greater than 20.